Want to control your entire home from one device? Here are the top 7 smart hubs of 2025 that every tech-savvy adult needs to know about. In the rapidly evolving world of smart home technology, 2025 stands out as a landmark year, one defined by astonishing advancements in connected living. For tech-savvy adults eager to transform their homes into hubs of seamless automation, the latest generation of smart home hubs presents a dazzling array of options. Today, we'll break down the top 7 smart hubs making waves this year, highlighting how each device leverages cutting-edge protocols, AI-powered assistants, and industry-wide standards to bring intelligent control and effortless integration to modern households. This is your definitive guide to the smartest, most future-proof gadgets of 2025, curated by High Tech Gadgets News. Let's start with the biggest story shaping smart homes: the widespread adoption of Matter, the universal standard created by the Connectivity Standards Alliance. In just a few short years, Matter has become the backbone of smart home interoperability, enabling devices from different manufacturers to talk to each other fluently. Whether you're using Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or Samsung SmartThings, Matter now guarantees a baseline of compatibility, unlocking new possibilities for automation and device management. For tech enthusiasts, this means less worry about platform lock-in and more time enjoying a connected lifestyle tailored to personal preferences. Leading the charge in innovation is Apple, whose ambitious smart home initiative is set to redefine how we interact with our living spaces. Apple's upgraded Siri, powered by Apple Intelligence, now offers lifelike, context-aware conversations and is designed to immerse itself naturally into everyday interactions. The upcoming motorized robotic assistant, described as a Pixar-style lamp, promises to add a physical dimension to voice control, bringing personality and motion to the heart of the home. Set for release in 2027, this robotic assistant is complemented by a sleek 6-inch smart display arriving in 2026, engineered to blend discreetly into any room while offering rich visual feedback and hands-free convenience. Apple's vision is clear: to make Siri not just a tool, but a proactive, helpful companion in every facet of domestic life. But Apple isn't the only player pushing boundaries. The Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro is a standout device for those prioritizing both security and smart home integration. This hub doubles as a robust security camera and a command center, supporting Matter, Thread, and Zigbee protocols. Its versatility allows it to unify devices across Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Alexa, and Samsung SmartThings, making it a top pick for users who want airtight security without sacrificing automation. The G5 Pro's advanced image recognition, local storage options, and privacy features ensure peace of mind, while its seamless compatibility with the latest standards means it's ready for whatever the future holds. Samsung's SmartThings station continues to impress with its commitment to expansive compatibility and automation. Supporting Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Matter, this hub remains one of the most flexible solutions for smart home enthusiasts. Its intuitive interface and powerful automation engine allow users to set up complex routines, from lighting and climate control to security and entertainment, with minimal effort. Samsung's ongoing investment in SmartThings ensures regular updates and deep integration with the company's ecosystem, making it a reliable choice for those who want a central, future-proof hub to manage their connected devices. For those who value privacy, customization, and open-source flexibility, Home Assistant stands out as the preferred platform among power users. In 2025, Home Assistant has received significant updates, including an enhanced backup system and improved integration capabilities. By processing data locally instead of relying on the cloud, Home Assistant puts control firmly in the hands of the user. Its compatibility with Matter, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and countless other standards means you can build a truly personalized smart home without worrying about vendor restrictions or data privacy concerns. The platform's thriving community and open-source ethos guarantee continuous innovation and support for even the most niche devices. Next, we turn to the Google Nest Hub Max, which remains a popular choice for those seeking an intelligent display with rich integration. Now updated to support Matter and Thread, the Nest Hub Max offers voice control, visual feedback, and deep ties to Google's ecosystem. It excels in managing routines, monitoring security cameras, and acting as a digital centerpiece for the home. With a focus on proactive assistance, the Nest Hub Max leverages Google's AI to anticipate needs and deliver information before you ask, making daily life smoother and more connected. Amazon's Echo Hub is also worth attention for its blend of affordability, versatility, and Alexa-powered intelligence. In its latest iteration, the Echo Hub supports Matter, Zigbee, and Z-Wave, giving it a seat at the table in the new era of interoperability. Alexa's improved conversational skills and context-aware routines make it easier than ever to control lights, thermostats, locks, and entertainment devices with simple voice commands. Amazon's vast library of skills and integrations ensures that the Echo Hub remains a central fixture in smart homes, accommodating everything from productivity to relaxation. Rounding out our expert picks is the Hubitat Elevation, favored by advanced users who demand granular control over their smart home environment. With robust support for local automation, Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Matter, Hubitat Elevation gives users full authority over how devices interact, responding instantly to triggers with minimal latency. Its detailed dashboard and powerful rule engine allow for intricate setups, perfect for tech-savvy adults who want to experiment and optimize their home's intelligence to the highest degree. As we review these 7 standout hubs, several key trends emerge. First, interoperability is no longer a dream but a reality, thanks to Matter's dominance across platforms and device categories. Second, AI-driven assistants, especially Apple's lifelike Siri and Google's proactive routines, are making smart homes genuinely intuitive, learning from habits and adjusting environments without manual intervention. Third, security and privacy remain top priorities, with devices like the Aqara G5 Pro and Home Assistant offering robust safeguards and local processing to protect user data. Choosing the right smart hub depends on your priorities. If you're invested in Apple's ecosystem and crave seamless conversational interaction, the upcoming Siri-powered robotic assistant and smart display are poised to lead the market. For users who want a blend of security and automation, the Aqara Camera Hub G5 Pro is an exceptional choice. Samsung's SmartThings station suits those who value flexibility and broad compatibility, while Home Assistant is ideal for privacy-conscious power users. Google and Amazon offer hubs rich in AI features and ecosystem integration, while Hubitat Elevation caters to enthusiasts who want to push the boundaries of customization. 2025's smart home hubs represent more than just convenience. They embody a shift toward truly intelligent, adaptive living spaces. With Matter as the foundation, AI as the brain, and robust hardware as the backbone, these devices are transforming homes into dynamic environments that respond to our needs, protect our privacy, and enrich our daily routines. As you consider upgrading your home, remember that the right hub is more than a gadget. It's your gateway to a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable future. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for continued updates and expert reviews on the latest smart home innovations, and prepare to experience the next level of connected living. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.